Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So most buyers moving to Charlotte completely overlook this area, and by the time they find it, prices have already jumped. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living in Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding suburbs, then subscribe below so you can be the first to know about the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is August Mayer, and I lived here since 2015, and I moved here from New York City. So I love helping people make their move to Charlotte, North Carolina, and whether that is 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out. All of our contact information is in the description, or you can scan this QR code to get in touch. The River District features 4 builders, which are Toll Brothers, what we're viewing today, DRB Homes, David Weekley, and Saucy Burbank. The River District is one of the largest master plan communities in the Carolinas. It's designed for living, working, play, and wellness. There's over 1,400 acres of preserved nature, miles of trails, river access, greenways, a future town center with dining, retail, and office space, and easy access to Uptown Charlotte, airport, and the major highways. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle ecosystem. This model is built by Toll Brothers, is the Pamlico floor plan, and Toll Brothers is known nationally for luxury craftsmanship, thoughtful floor plans, and upscale finishes. One of my favorite features that Toll Brothers are giving to this community is the rooftops. So make sure you stay to the end so you can get a view of that rooftop access. The Pamlico features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,180 plus or minus square feet, 2-car garage, 3 stories, and of course that rooftop, which is optional. So you're going to get an open floor plan with generously sized kitchen, great room, and a casual dining area. So if you want to stay up to date on all things new construction, get access to my new construction website. Go to www.augustmayer.com/new homes, or you can scan this QR code. So continue watching this home tour. Let me know what you think of the home, the community, in the comments. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. See you on the next video.